Welcome guys. Today we see about how many steel bar used in slab. This is the example diagram. One span is 5 meter and second is 8 meter. The horizontal bar is main bar and vertical bar is distribution bar. The dia of main bar is about 10 mm and dia of distribution bar is 8 mm. Spacing of these two bar is 150 mm or 0.15 meter. Step number first, number of main bar. The formula is total length divided by center to center distance, center to center, or spacing plus 1. The total length is 8 meter divided by 0.15 meter is about 54, and the number of distribution bar, vertical bar. Distribution bar is the distance is about span 5 meter divided by spacing is 0.15 meter, therefore 34 numbers. This is the calculating of how many bar used in this or this span. Weight calculation. Weight of one rod, this one rod 8 mm bar, this, the formula is d square L divided by 162.2. D means diameter of bar, and this is 8 mm, therefore D is 8 square into length is about 5 meter, 5 divided by 162.2. it is about, the weight of one rod is 1.97 kg per meter, and the total weight of 8 mm bar. 8 mm bar is how many numbers of main bars? 54 numbers of main bar, and distribution bar is about 34. Therefore 34 into 197 is about 66.98, about 67 kg. Weight of single rod 10 mm. The formula is d square L divided by 162.2. D is 10 and L is span 8 meter divided by 162.2. This is constant. It is about 4.93 kg per meter. The total weight of 10 mm bar is, one bar weight is 4.93 kg, therefore total bar is 54. Then 54 into 4.93 is about 266.33 kg. The total weight of 10 mm bar is 266.33. Total weight of bars, therefore 66.98 plus 266.33 kg, it is about 333.31 kg. Price calculation. In India, the bar rate is about 53 rupee per kg, therefore 333 into 53, it is about 17,065 rupees. How many binding wire required for binding steel? 10 kg per ton. 10 kg required for per ton, therefore 33 into 10, it is about 3,329 rupees. Then the total is about, bar rate is 17,665 and binding wire is about 3,329. This is the calculation of steel bar used in slab.